What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Deberoo, and today I've got a very special announcement to make. That's right, the last couple of weeks we've been working hard at the background of Deberoo to work on something new, something very exciting. And as you can see, and as you might have saw already the last couple of weeks, we have a new logo. But that's definitely not all. There's a lot more to come. So I'm going to tell you right now what we're planning to do. So the last couple of weeks we've been working on doing research, finding out what is working for you, what is valuable to you, and what is not working for you. What are the struggles that you as affiliate marketer are experiencing? So we did all kinds of research about what your needs are, right? The last couple of months, we did a lot of market research calls. We did 247 calls of a half an hour each to do research, to discuss what affiliate marketers, big or small, huge corporates or solo people just starting out, what they need, what you need, right? So we noted all the wishes, all the demands, and all the needs of all kinds of affiliates in the affiliate marketing. And what are we going to do with it? Well, we identified the common problems, right? So the problems that everybody somewhat has, or the majority somewhat has, we identified them. We identified what you are struggling with. And what are we going to do now? Right now, we are working on a brand new platform. And what is going to be that platform like? Well, it's going to be called the Deberoo Suite. And as you can see right here, it's got everything in one platform. So it would have Voluum involved, it would have the Landerize involved, it would have Dijs University involved, and the Forum as well. So a lot of cool things into one platform. And this platform, the Deberoo Suite, is made for affiliates. It's made for you by affiliates with affiliates, right? So because of the research that we were able to do with affiliates from all over the world, big and small, we now know what you need. And together, we want to make a product to help you grow even faster. But we're not there yet. We're fully into development right now, and we are about to launch our beta test. And we want to launch a beta test to make sure that everything is working. To make sure that when you can experience our new platform yourself, and you find any problems, or you miss anything, or you feel like something is not worth it to be on our platform, whatever it is, we want your feedback. We want to know from you what you like and what you don't like, what you need and what you don't need. And we need that discussion to make our product better and to make your experience and your business's growth better, right? We need you. We need you to help us out and help us test this new platform. So we're going to build the biggest, most complete affiliate marketing platform ever built, and we want your help with it. What will be included? Let's talk about that. So first of all, there will be a tracker, because what is affiliate marketing without tracking your results, right? The landing page builder, previously known as Landerize, will also be integrated in this new platform. A cash flow estimator to calculate all your cash flow and your budgets. A spy tool for native and push, maybe later on even more. Of course, the courses like you are used to from Dijs University. Dedicated coaching, a community, so the Dijs UForum will also be introduced in this new platform and will be open for all customers. And an event calendar in which you can see all the events that that are around the globe regarding affiliate marketing. So you can see if there's an event coming up near your place, or maybe you want to travel somewhere. You can also see who's going there. So you can see if we, the Deberoo team, or just some people of the Deberoo team are coming. But you can also see who of the community is going there, so that you can have an offline interaction with them and build your relationships steadily and firmly, because that's very important. And there will also be a team build, meaning that if you have a business and you have people working for you or with you, you can assign them to your team. So you can work together on a better business. So what's in it for the long run? What do we want to do after we, set the first foundations of this new platform? We want to look into affiliate offers, be able to provide them. Affiliate networks, all in the same platform as well. We would like to have a traffic platform, and of course, we want your ideas. If you miss anything, if you feel like, okay, I've got everything in one platform, but for this one single thing, I still have to go outside the platform, I'd like it better to have it all in one place, let us know. Because we want to make the product that's going to help you. So let us know what your needs are and what your ideas are about this new platform. And when will it launch? The expected time of arrival is January 2021. So the beginning of next year, we will launch this new product. But before that, we want to make sure that everything works correctly. And that's why I'm asking you, join the beta. Down in the comments below this video, you'll find a link in which you can sign up for the waitlist. And when you're on the waitlist, we might invite you to join our new platform and test it out for free. And we'd love to hear your feedback and how you experience our new platform, so that we can build it and make it better before we launch. So help us out. Join the beta. It's completely free, and plus there are a lot of rewards if you refer your friends. For example, if you refer 5 of your friends to join the beta as well, you will get on the instant access waiting list, meaning you will get access even faster, because we cannot load up everybody in the beta. So we will do it in groups, and the more referrals you make, the sooner you will get in the beta. Also, there are a lot of other cool prizes. For example, if you finish in the top 200 of the referrals, you will get a free t-shirt from Deberoo, and even better, if you finish in the top 3 of referrals, you will get the Deberoo Suite, the finished product, 6 months for free. So make sure to refer all your friends, but first of all, make sure to sign in for the waitlist below with the link, and then we will keep you up to date about everything that we're doing with the Deberoo Suite. So sign up now and I'll keep you up to date what we're doing. Peace.